So I'm trying to figure out if I want to master set Phantasmal Flames or not. When I say master set, I don't know if I mean hollows and non-hollows, or maybe just all hollows, but I'm thinking about master setting Phantasmal Flames, as it was the newest set out when I was, I don't want to say reintroduced, but when I decided to start collecting Pokemon again. And I already had a Pokemon collection, I wasn't very active with the hobby. I wasn't even looking for packs for the longest time. I didn't even know what it was looking like with the difficulty of finding packs in the current market. But either way, now I got this guy. Do not have this guy. That's a win. I know I got that guy. And I think I have this guy. I got a few of those. I got a few of those. I got a few of those. I don't think I have the hollow. Excuse me, reverse hollow of that. I do not have this one. Oh man, I do not have that one. Boy, that was a good pack. That was an excellent pack for my current mission. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys and gals. Until next time, find the Gnar.